We'll have a look at Simpson's second rule now. We use Simpson's second rule when the ordinates are even and also some of the odd numbers. And when you look at it a little more closely, you can see that in some circumstances we can use Simpson's first or Simpson's second rule to solve the same problem. We'll get slightly different answers if we were to work out the area under the curve and use both rules just to compare one with the other. We'll get slightly different answers, but it doesn't matter, either will suffice. So the second rule, first rule was 1/3, well now the second rule is always 3/8. 3/8 times the common interval, and now the multipliers are 1, 3, 3, 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ordinates, 1, 3, 3, 1. 7 ordinates, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1. If it's 10 ordinates, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1. So let's see how they work in example here, example 2. We'll just quickly recap. Our common interval, 10 degree, has to always be the same. We've measured off the GZ curve the values, which are all written down here, 0 to 60. And then we've written our multipliers, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1. Multiply use the multiplier times the ordinate, which gives the products for the area. Add them up, and now we use the second rule, which is 3/8 times the common interval, so it's 3/8 times 10 over 57.3 times the product area, and it gives us 0.783. Now, it's worth noting here that we could use actually 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1. So for this particular example, we could have used either Simpson's first rule or Simpson's second rule. And if we just compare the two, in example 1 we used the first rule and we got an answer of 0.784 meter radians. In the second example, where we used the second rule, we got 0.783 meter radians. So we get a slightly different answer, but as I say, either will suffice. So there are occasions where you can use either rule for the curve if the ordinates fit either rule. If the ordinates fit neither of the rules as a complete calculation, then we would have to use both the rules together. That's very rare. All your examples will always be either the first rule or the second rule. So the key things to remember: your common interval between your measurements, your ordinates, must be the same. That's the key thing. They must be the same. They must be constant. Then we simply measure the ordinate values, use the multipliers, and then use the formula.